Hello to everyone, I would like to try today with you this compressor Black and Decker. It's 11 bar compressor ASE 300 multicolor red and black. So we can try it with this ball. For I think that we need do something with this ball if we want to play, or if I want to play football with this. So I think that we can use this. So let's go to do it. So first what we need to do is open the cover. Right here we can find the cable for electricity. So first of all we need to okay, right now it's okay. Then we have here this, okay, you close it, it's ready for pumping. And what we need also is the needle. A needle is from the bottom side, so you can find the needle here. So right now we have it like this, okay. And what we need to do is input the needle inside and close it like this. Okay, so right now we are ready for using it, but for sure I have to do it like this. And now close. Okay, now it's super. So we can prepare the ball right here, and we can try to input this to the electricity. Okay, so right now we can see here the C, so we can try to close. So now we can input inside the needle and turn on. 6.5. Oh, I think it's okay. 7. Okay, so we have it. So very fast, maybe 15 seconds. So thank you for the watching. If you want to buy the same, just check the link below, and next time we will try it for the car or for bicycle. Thank you for the watching. See you in the next video. Bye.